Merhaba, hoş geldin. Today's topic is numbers. In Turkish, it's sayılar. Sayılar. Tekrar et. Sayılar. Are you realize the plural suffix here, lar, as we learned in the previous lesson? And just because there is vowel, so the word of sayı means number. It take the plural suffix lar, numbers. In this one, we will just learn numbers, and in the following one, the next one, I will be teaching you how to ask what is your age, like how old are you, and I am blah blah years old, and I will also teach you how you can read phone numbers in Turkish. Tamam mı? So let's start with our first number. Bir. Bir. Tekrar et. Bir. İki. İki. Üç. Both of them are letters that you're not familiar with. So let's pay more attention to this one. It's not uç, okay? Uç means like flying. Üç. Ü. Üç. Dört. Tekrar. Dört. Beş. Beş. Altı. Altı. Tekrar. Altı. Yedi. Yedi. Tekrar. Yedi. Sekiz. Sekiz. Tekrar. Sekiz. Güzel. Dokuz. Tekrar. Dokuz. Dokuz. 10. 10. And now let's learn how to say 10, 20, 30, 40. On, we just learned on. 10 is on. 20, 20. 20. 20. 30, 30. 30. Tekrar. 30. 40. 40. Tekrar. 40. 50. 50. Tekrar. 50. 60. 60. Tekrar 60. 60. 60. 70. 70. Tekrar 70. Next one. 80. 80. Tekrar 80. Güzel. 90. 90. Tekrar 90. 90. And 100. 100. 100. And after this, now you can create any number that you want, because as here, if you want to say 200, you're just gonna say it's like there are like 200, use and use. So it's gonna be 200. 2, 2, because we just learned 200. 200. 1000. 1000. 1000. Tekrar 1000. And if you want to say 2000, you're gonna say 2000. 2000. Tekrar edelim. 2000. 2000. Güzel. So from now on, you are able to create any number that you want. So let's start from the 2-digit numbers. my age. So for this age in Turkish, you're just gonna think like this. Okay. So what you're gonna say for 22? What was 20 in Turkish? Oku. 20. 20. And what was 2 in Turkish? Oku. 2. So it's 22. Again. Tekrar 22. And let's write. 22 means 22. What about this one? How we're gonna think? We're gonna think like as it's like this, you know? So what are you saying about this one? I'm not gonna make it like this so you can see it. 50 and here 9. All together, what we're gonna say? 59. 59. Just like as it's like 59. 59. 50 and 9. 59. I also want you to just like think about random numbers from your mind and just try to write them. Okay. So let's go with the 3-digit numbers. As in this one, 104. So basically this is this. Değil mi? Değil mi? So what we're gonna say, we will check for 104. Do you remember what was 100? 100. 100. And what was 4? 4. 4. All together, tell me. 100. 104. What about this one? Then let's talk about this one. No, not this one. No, this one. First one. What is this number? 890. So basically it's the same like thing in English. How you're reading it? 800. 890. 890. So what is 800 in Turkish? You don't know? You know it. If you know how to say 100, then you know how to say 800 also. 100 was 100. So if I want to say 800, but like 800, just translate directly to Turkish. 8. So where is 8? 8. 800. 8. 100. So this is 800. Are we done? Not yet. Then what we have next? 90. What was 90? It's here. 90. 90. And let's try to read all of them like all together. 890. 890. So for the next one, 800, like as you're just like reading in English, 893. So you will be thinking about how to say 800, which is we just learned 800, 90, 90. What was 3? Do you remember? 3. 3. So it will be, I want you to say it before I write. 893. 893. 893. And let's just give a 4-digit number. This one. 4017. 4017. 4000. What was thousand? Bin. 4000. 4 here. 4000. Bin. 4000. Then we have 17, but in Turkish style, you will be thinking this way. 17, okay? So where is 10? Here, 10. And where is 7? Here, 7. 17. So altogether, 4017, 4017. 4017. And this one is for you. I'm waiting for your answer in the comment section or wherever it's possible, in a place that I can check. I'm waiting for your answers. Tamam mı? So let's meet in the next lesson. Görüşmek üzere.